Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including news that Bernanke's replacement is decided. President Barack Obama will nominate Janet Yellen as chairman of the US Federal Reserve. That puts the world's most powerful central bank in the hands of a key architect of its gigantic stimulus program, and is the first female leader in its 100-year history. Although early reactions are positive, markets were expecting the move. The Dow and S&P are higher now, but tech stocks are struggling as the Nasdaq is lower. However, the IMF has warned that if the US starts its tapering too early, that would risk huge declines in global bond values, up to $2.3 trillion, they say. The US Treasury has sold a 10-year bond this morning, and yields came in at 2.66%, well below the 2.95% in the previous auction. Investors are still not worried about the budget and debt ceiling standoff, for which there is no progress to report. China is enamoured with its opening of its new free trade zone in Shanghai. The move is raising equity prices for firms that can benefit in the zone, which does seem like an odd reaction. Gold dipped below $1,300 overnight and still shows a loss on the day, despite a late move higher. Oil fell more than $2 a barrel overnight and is now just over $101 a barrel for the US benchmark, and back to its lowest levels of the month. In Australia, car maker Holden, which is looking for an increase in taxpayer support to continue manufacturing in the country, has reportedly flatly rejected the government's requirement to export more. It says cars made there are just too expensive for that. Locally, we're expecting the REINZ home sales data today, along with the September PMI. New Zealand dollar starts today unchanged at 83.0 US cents, 88.0 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 77.0. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.